It's the Lozzie and Sozzie Show!
Hey boys and girls, hope you're okay. It's so rainy outside today and I was thinking it's too wet to even go and see Lozzie. What can I do? And I had an idea. I'm going to show you how to make some toys with things that you can find around your house. Now you need to ask a grown-up really, first of all, and if you need to use scissors or anything sharp, get a grown-up to help you. So, the first thing I thought we could do was something with balloons. And I thought, well, you can blow them up, yeah, but there's something even more exciting you can do. Come on, I'll show you. Come on. Let's pick purple. You don't want to blow it up too much. Just so it can sit in your hand. I'm going to tie a knot. This is the tricky bit. You might need some help for this. My finger's stuck. There we go. A teeny weeny balloon. Next job, we get another balloon for over the top of it. Come on, I'll show you. So, we're just going to make one little snip here at the top of the balloon. Just a little one, like that. And we're going to take the tail of the balloon off, like that. And then, this has got to go over the top of the purple balloon, and it's a little bit tricky and you might just need a grown-up to help you. A little bit tricky, and there we go. Well, watch this. I've got another idea. We could use a felt tip pen and draw on the pink balloon, and then the purple bit would look like a tongue. Hello! Let's do it. Right, I've got a little balloon head and a mouth that sticks his tongue out. So now I'm going to put some eyes on him, and I found this feather. And I'm going to make him some crazy hair and glue it on. And let's see what happens. Right, that's one made. I'm going to make another one now with a green balloon and a white balloon over the top, and maybe some blue wool hair. They can have a conversation then, can't they? Come on, I'll show you. Okay, I'm going to blow it up first. That's too big. That's more like it. And then tie a knot. It's a bit tricky. I've got my fingers stuck. Oh, that's better. Now over the top, a white one. And we just do a little snip for where his mouth's going to be. Not too big. And then chop the end off like that. And then this goes over the top of the green. That didn't work, did it? Try again. Try again. Let's have an orange one this time. I think what I did wrong was I made the mouth too big. It has to be only tiny, like that. Okay, here we go. I'll try again. That's it. That is the way to do it. In it goes. There we go. And then we want his eyes. Gonna do pink ones. A little nose. Come on, let's put some blue bit of wool on the top. Come on over here. Shall we see if it works? Really, they need some names. If Lozzie was here, she'd think of them so quickly and they'd be so good. I'm not that clever. I know. You can be squishy and you can be squashy. Hey, squashy. Yes, squishy. Have you washed the windows yet, like I asked you to do? Oh no, I forgot. Oh no, I forgot. Oh, you've let yourself down, you've let me down, you've let the whole of the house down. Get it? Let them down. Like balloons. Whack. Still raining outside. And Jelly Bean, Banana Cat and Billy the Pirate Cat, they've all gone to bed. But I was thinking, what could we do inside that wouldn't cause too much mess, that was fun, and we wouldn't break anything? And then I had an idea. So, if you've got some paper plates, you can play balloon tennis. And it's so easy. This is going to be your tennis racket. And all you need is a paper plate and a lolly stick and a balloon. Come on, I'll show you. So, we're just going to take a lolly stick and put it on the back like that. And you just need some sticky tape. And you just stick it on. But so it's stronger, you do a zigzag across it like this. One like that and one like that. Boo, boo, easy peasy. What colour balloon shall we have now? Yellow, like the sun, even though it's not there at the moment. Ready? Brilliant! Oh, try again. I've got another one, look. Okay. Very tricky. There we go. Watch this. Are you ready? See how many times you can get the balloon. Here goes. Ready? Oh, oh, oh. I'm in. Oh no. Boom. Boom. It's a good game. Ah! It's so much fun. Why don't you try it at home? Okay, this is the best one. It's a balloon powered boat for the bathtub. It's so much fun, but you need a plate that's got a rim round the edge and it's quite sturdy because otherwise it'll sink. And then what we're going to do is we're going to just put a little hole in the middle. Now you have to be really careful because you have to use the point of the scissors, so get a grown-up to do it for you. Okay, and there's the hole. And what we're going to do, we're going to take a straw. Where did I put my straws? Hang on a minute, I'll just get them. Here they are. And you're going to take a balloon and you want to make it quite easy to blow up. So the best way to do that is to blow it up first and let it go down. There you go. And then it's easier to blow up a second time. And we're going to put this on the end of the straw, but you've got to make it really, really airtight there. And the best way to do it is to get some sticky tape. And again, you might need a grown-up to help you. And we're going to just put it round the top, really tight, like that. Okay. And hopefully it should blow up now. Yes, it does. Next thing we're going to do is put the straw into the plate like that, on a bit of a slant. Yeah, like that. And we're going to blow it up. Okay. Can you see I'm holding the straw so the air doesn't come out, and when I let go the air comes out and the balloon goes down very slowly, and that's what's going to make the boat go along the water. What you also need to do is just to secure it in place, a little bit more sticky tape, and we'll do that on this side just so it stays at an angle. Okay. If this is a little bit too long, you can cut it off there. Okay. Should we go and see if it works? Come on then. I hope it doesn't sink. I'm going to blow it up first, but remember you pinch the straw to stop it going down again. Ready? Wow. Whew. Okay, come on then, let's see if it works. Come on. It works! That looks like the engine! Turn it round. Yay! Let's have another go. I'll blow it up again. Come on then, let's see if it works again. It's moving! I've got one more thing to show you. And your mums and dads will hate it. but I love it, and it's called the Farty Balloon. I'll show you. So you blow it up, and then you get your 2 hands and you pinch the top, and you just let the air out really slowly, and it makes a fantastic noise. Listen. I love it. Shall we do it again? Here goes. So this time, I'm going to play it like it's a musical instrument. Watch this. If we just do it in time. I love it. I hope you guys have loads of fun at home. Maybe you can find some straws, some balloons, some paper plates, and some lolly sticks. You can have an afternoon of fun, even though it's raining. Bye for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe our page, will you? Bye.